So just now we saw a experiment, and I rubbed a plastic pen on my hair, and I brought this pen to the near the flowing water. So water was flowing down, and I brought the pen near the water, and you saw that the water bent towards the pen. So I opened the tape, water was flowing down. Then I brought my pen near the water, and the water bent towards the pen like this. So why this happened? Because in electrostatic charge appeared on the plastic pen. So on my pen, when I rubbed with the hair, it become now a charged object, and this is plastic, so the charge which created or on the surface will not able to flow. If it is a copper or conductor, the charge may flow through my body, but if it as it is a plastic one, so it will not flow through, and it will be deposited on the surface of this object. So when I brought this object towards the flowing water, the water is a polar molecule, and the due to the dipole moment, this a polarity. So the static charges created an electric field, and to that field, this dipole molecule attracted, right? So a dipole, if it is kept in an electric field, so as when we rub a plastic with hair, generally it will create it will become a negative. So if a field is created towards it, towards the, because conventional field, the field is towards the object, so it is basically attracting. Now H2 molecule, you know, O is your partial negative, and two hydrogen which are delta plus, this is delta minus, right? And it has a dipole moment, some bond angle 104 degree. So it will have a dipole moment, and due to that, these are polar molecules, they will be means it's attracted towards the charge pair. Now again I'll show with one more experiment. Here some of the, as you can see here, some of the paper are there, right? Small papers are there, and I'll again rub it, and I'll put my pen near the paper. You see the papers are also attracted because electric field is induced in the paper, and due to that electric it becomes a dipole, and it is then attracted towards the charged object. So how this charge created? So this, now it is neutral. If I'll not rub with my hair, if I'll just, you see, just if I'll try to put it here, it's not attracting, but if I'll rub it, and due to the friction, you see how it is attracting. So due to that friction, what will happen? The charge transfer is occurring. That means suppose this is a atom, because these are all the objects are consist of different atoms. So atoms have electrons in their valence shells. So when the electron will transfer, or with a friction it will be removed, right, depending upon the electron negativity, right, the ionization energy. So if electron is removed, then it has proton, because same number of protons and electrons are there. Suppose suppose two protons are there and two electrons are there. If electrons will be removed, then there is less number of electrons now. So now this X atom X will become a positively charged. If two electrons are removed, so it will become 2 plus. Now same thing, if another atom which is deficient, having deficiency of electron, or uh, you, you can say more electron, has more electron affinity, so let's say y, it will accept the electrons, so it will become y2 minus, because it will have extra electron than the proton. So proton and electron, they will neutralize, and the extra electron will say right like this, it will be charged particle, because here it is extra electron and here it is extra, means less number of electron, so more protons are there, so it is positively charged and negatively charged, but both are charged, both are charged. And if they it is deposited over some plastic, some surface, then it becomes the case of electrostatics, because here charge is at rest, charge is moving, not moving. But in a conductor, if we are supplying some potential different, here the charge is flowing and we are getting a current, but here that is so that is charge in flow, but here charge is at rest, charge only transfers from one object to another object, and this is your electrostatics. So we saw at least two experiment in this video. Find some doubts or some clarification, then I'll make another one. Thank you. Bye bye.